Hello, my friends. I'm going to do a cloud pour today on this round canvas, and I'm using kind of unusual colors. Normally, my cloud pours have been with the blues and purples and things like that, but I'm going with oranges and pinks today, and yellow, and then I even have some purple that I'm going to pop in just for contrast. This has been sitting around on my table for a few days. I don't know what purpose I had it for. I should label my cups. I think I'll remember, but I don't. So I'm going to just pop a little bit of it in my cup, and then I'll use it for a flow extender. Now, I don't put a base coat down hardly ever on any of my pours, except a Dutch pour, of course. My thinking is it's a waste of paint. I don't feel it's necessary. But I could be wrong, but I'm not doing it. I will put the flow extender around to help the paint from rolling over on itself, but it just seems like unnecessary to me. So for what it's worth, that is my feeling about it. I will start with Deep Magenta by Loft. I'll put my recipe down below. I mix the colors differently than I mix the cloud mix. And the cloud mix I mixed up about 3 days ago, and let it sit around. I think it helps with the action you get if it has had time to percolate a little bit. Okay, I'm going to throw just some of this in there. That might be just enough. Here we go. I'm pretty close to the surface. Pouring kind of slowly. This is in real time, of course. Pretty much a straight pour, although I am, turning my wrist. I could have put it on the cake spinner, but I always forget about that. Because as I've mentioned before, I'm not into spinning. I have my reasons for that. But I don't fault anyone who is into it. You go for it. But you see how different the first section of paint I poured out is compared to what is coming out now. It's blended very much so. So I'm going to use up the rest of my paint. I'm going to add it in here and add some fresh cloud pour to it. I mean, that's pretty, but I want some of that towards the center. Like in there. Okay, here we go. Back into the center. Okay. Okay, I said, and I kept going. All right. Ooh, I like that. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes and pause, and then I'll be back and we'll tilt. Okay. Well, it's been sitting maybe 10 minutes. I took the opportunity to add the flow extender. I'm not loving it. And now I think I did use these colors now that I look at it. I think I have used these colors once before and I didn't love it. I'm glad I added the purple though to add a little more contrast and interest. Otherwise it would all be this and that's pretty boring. So let's tilt it out and see how it looks. There's a lump of something in the purple, but that'll get tilted off. Well, now, I don't know. It's looking a little better. Tilt that lump off of there. I really like this yellow that showed up here. I wish there was more of that elsewhere. Too much of this. It's very much the same. So something's got to change with that. And I've got an awful lot of paint on the surface as well, so got to eliminate some of that. I'm liking that orange center. And I like this. Maybe I want that orange to meet the edge. I hope so, because I just did it. I like this, but there's something bothering me about this section. So I may have to lose that. This is clouding up nicely, nice plump cloud shapes, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to keep that dark down there. That could be why it's bothering me here. I think I'll bring this all the way over here too. And that white outline around the orange was disturbing me. Okay, oh, that's much better. I think. Do you think? All right. I might be okay with that, just like that. I think I like it. Okay, I'm going to let that sit for a while, and then I'll show you a picture at the end, and we'll see if it changes any. I expect some of these things to pop up and grow a little bit more, but let me bring you in to take a closer look. I'm really glad I added that purple. Otherwise, I think it'd be pretty boring. But it added some nice depth and drama to this section here. I really like this warm orangey yellow section right there. Yeah, I think it's fun. Yay! Cloud pour. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.